So, an updated version. I thought I'd explain a bit better what we've done here. I've used these as extra support with the help of, I don't know if you can see, Patex. By our local shop it's about €5, and I've glued this, I don't know, very hard plastic to the wall to help take some of the support of the weight, as you can see. And also I've made it a bit less complicated. I've taken one section out, I've put another 2-meter section here. Don't know how that's going to look on the video, and that enables me much easier to slide it down. Maybe you can see a bit better. There's also not so much weight on the top end of the aluminium pole, so it's, even though it's swaying a bit, luckily it should just miss the yagi, and that's much easier to bring up and down. Unfortunately I had to get another 2-meter pole. And that's it. And what I've done here, I'm going to do on the chimney with the yagi, but use bigger pieces. And that's how it is. If you missed the first video, you just loosen these and the whole thing just slides down. Very, very easy. And just to check if we're I don't know how well it comes out on the video, but it looks like we're going to miss that by quite a bit. As you can see, it's a beautiful day in Rotterdam. Beautiful, beautiful skies. Blue, 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 beautiful. So, this is the Hyperflex. I don't know if that's it, you can even see it. Made in Italy. Okay, have a nice day, till the next time.